Hello, look who's outside. Yes, I finally got a chance to pull her out today, and I am gonna pack her. I've been going through things, pulling out some expired canned goods and things like that. But I left her pretty much set from the last season. I'm gonna check I'm gonna grease her wheel bearings and maybe wipe her down a little bit. I'm still debating on that because it's supposed to rain the day we leave, and she still looks good. She still looks good for being inside all winter long. Um, Jenny G, I'm excited. Let's rock and roll and get everything together. Okay, this is the only thing about camping. We have so much stuff. You understand that? So much stuff. And you always seem like you're gonna leave something. So I need to pare down some of my supplies. I purchased this outdoor rug last season, and it actually looks good. So I'm going to take this one, and depending on what the ground looks like, if the weather's good up in Ohio, I will use it. Let me set this table up so I can empty out this wagon to see which things that I'm actually going to take and which things I'm not. Okay. Step stool. You need that. And let's see. This is my fishing rod. I don't know that I'm going to be fishing this time. But, and then I also have my, little life jacket. I know they have like waterfalls and stuff, but I'm not sure things are open for like canoeing and stuff. And I have my jacket over there. I need to check and see if that's recharged. There's not a lot of stuff in here. I saw wipes, water, bucket. Let's see. Set this up here. Oh, this is my fly fishing rod. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. I'll probably leave that home. Deb, you have to give me some more lessons. That's what I'm gonna say about that. And then is this jacket. Ooh! See, this jacket is charged. It's up here. I have the solar panel here for it, but I'm gonna charge it at the house here. Let me see what it says. It's still at 100%, so it's straight. I don't have to do anything with it. I'm gonna put this in the van, in the car. Yeah, that's the charging supplies for it. Oh, it's not much in here. My fishing license, and my little tag box for fishing. Yeah, there's not much in here. Okay, and some lights. And some lights. So we'll get that together. I'm just showing you a couple of things. All right. Get that off. Okay, hey guys. Alex, thank you, Alex. He was able to get the hub caps off for me. But look at that in there. And now, to get this together, I had to buy a new one. The other one was all messed up. So, see what we can get done. Oh, yep. All right, let's see if I can get this together. Let's take off the cap. Got the cap off. Let's put this in here. Woo! Girl, muscles. Use those muscles. Mimi. Oh my God. See when I flip this off? I don't know. There's G or so. My hands, let's see if we can get this back on. Tidy it up a little more. Yikes. Nope. I need Alex's help. Come help your mama. Thank you. See if we can. Yeah, that's good. Did it get up there all the way?
Yes.
Thank you. We're gonna have to wipe it down. We need some more. Okay, good. Alrighty. Ooey gooey. Alright, I did it that time. Yes. Mission accomplished. The wheel bearings are greased. I put air in the tires, and I'm gonna put Gigi back in the garage. So we had a full day today. The only thing I have left to do is to put my clothes for the week in the cupboards, in the cabinets. So I have them already packed up, and I will just put them in the camper. And I need to organize the cargo area of my SUV, because I kind of threw stuff in there a little bit. But I have to add another chair and my little rocking chair. And I think I'm good. That and whatever food that I'm gonna take with me. Happy trails. See you guys later.